I'm Vanessa Ruck here in the XL Moto Garage, and today we're going to be talking about the H2O waterproof bags, including how to get them on your bike. I'm here with the XL Moto waterproof luggage for your motorcycle. Now this is 2 panniers and a top pack that goes on the back of the motorcycle, and it is an entry-level waterproof option. But when it arrives, it can be a little bit intimidating as to what comes in the box. There are a lot of straps, and how on earth do you get that onto your motorcycle securely? Because there isn't an instruction manual. But there's a reason why there isn't an instruction manual, and that is because this is a universal luggage system, which means the instructions is going to be different for every single motorcycle. So what I'm going to do today is talk you through some of the ways in which you can get this onto your motorcycle securely and things to think about in that process, and hopefully that information will arm you with the ability to get the bag on your bike nice and securely. So first of all, we've got quite a few straps in the bag. A pair, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 straps. We've got 2 side bags, panniers, that will mount to the side of the bike, and 1 that will go up on the top. Now, what you've got to bear in mind with your motorcycle is where your exhaust is, because exhausts tend to get warm, and the difference in clearance between your side bag and your rear wheel, because what you don't want is your bag to be making contact with that. And bear in mind that if you hit a pothole, your suspension is going to compress, so make sure you factor that in when you're installing. So let's grab the bags, and I'm going to sling them over the back of the bike. You've got adjustments on the top of the bags, so you can tighten those as needed and find a place that they fit comfortably on the top. You want them to obviously be equal so that there's no imbalance in weight as you're riding along, and you again want to be looking down to give you the clearance with that rear wheel. Next, we're going to go into the straps. You've got a couple with a loop on them. Now they might be appropriate on your motorcycle to hook around some of the frame or over something. I think on this bike, which is an MT-07, just for references. So I'm actually going to use 2 short ones, connect those together, and that will give me a loop to go both ways. So when you're looking for places to mount it on your bike, do bear in mind that this is, of course, an engine that is going to be operating, and so any parts that are going to get warm are not going to be a good idea to strap onto. And also think about where your leg's going to be to make sure you don't interfere with your riding safety and position. So I've gone round the frame into the underside of the bag. I can adjust that, and at the end, I'll get rid of all of the tags. Gonna get another one, do the same on the other side. So what will be good about the way that I'm strapping these on is that there is a clip in the middle, which means I won't have to unstrap the straps every time I want to remove the bag. I can just unclip here and remove the bag system. So that's it secured to the front. I now need to make sure it's secured at the back and we don't get flapping. So what I'm thinking, there's a strap with a double end and 2 little metal clips. Thinking that's going to go across the back. So if we go underneath the mudguard, engage with the clips that are on either side, and then I'm going to tighten it up. Now, at the moment, I've obviously got tassels hanging down. I will get rid of those once I'm happy with how the bags are attached. Happy with that? We then have the top bag. Now, these 2 bags give you 20 litres of dry, secure luggage. They are roll top to keep the water out. The top bag gives you an extra 28 litres, and it's effectively a tube of luggage space, so both ends have a roll top. I'm thinking these 4 straps are going to be the best option. I'm going to secure this bag to the other panniers so that should I want to remove the whole system in one, I can do so without having to do it in 2 parts. On the side of the bag, to help you with securing this luggage to your bike, there are a load of little loops through the strong reinforced material that you can strap to. So I'm going to use those, have that up there ready, get myself another strap, pop that on. What you're going to need to do is look at your bike and work out where you have secure parts on the frame, on the bike, to secure these bags. Now, the bags come with a lot of flexibility in how you can mount them. So you might just need to fiddle around a little bit to figure out the best option. So it's recommended not to do this for the first time when you're in a rush, because it might take a few minutes to get it right. There we go. Up through the strap, and then they will connect up on the top, like so. And then get my final strap, which is a female, to go on this side. There we go, clip that on. Now I've got that nice and secure, it's worth going around all of the straps and making sure they're tight enough and getting rid of any of the flapping straps. The bag is designed with elements in it to keep those flaps from flapping. So for example here, you've got a little plastic clip where you can tuck the straps away, and you can do that all on the rest. You don't need to watch me do that. So that is the bag on the back of the bike. So yes, there are 2 more straps on the table. For this bike, I don't feel like these straps are needed. As I said, this is a universal luggage system, and so on your bike, these might be the ideal solution. But hopefully you can have a play and find out the best way that works for you. Now we've got the bags installed, let's see how easy it is to take them off to pop into the office or getting home at the end of the day. So I've got 2 clips on the top. I'm going to unclip those, slide it through. That was easy. Top box is off. And then we've got a clip on the front, on both sides. And then there we go, nice and easy. Hook it over the arm. I'm going in. Adding to the on-bike luggage, you also have the XL Moto H2O rucksack, which gives you an extra 28 litres of watertight, no water's going to go in there luggage. It has a roll top, so you can put your kit in, roll the top up, clip it down, and there's no water going to be going in there. Inside, you've got a small Ziploc bag for little valuables, and with padded shoulder pads here, it makes for a lovely, comfortable rucksack, including a nice, sturdy waist belt to help distribute the load across your back and shoulders, and a handy little pocket to put things that you want nearby in. Feels good. Got the chest clip and the waist clip. Easily adjustable to make it fit you, bearing in mind that I would have a jacket on, and it's available in a whole load of colors. So that orange bit can be the color you like. The XL Moto H2O waterproof 2+1 bag set. The features of this is 100% waterproof, universal and easy mounting system and unmounting system. Top bag opens at both ends in a tubular roll top design. Dimensions are 46 by 50 centimeter for the saddle bags and 36 by 32 centimeter for the top bag. Total volume is 20 plus 20 plus 28 litres, so 68 litre combined waterproof luggage space. The XL Moto H2O waterproof backpack. Features are fully waterproof, sturdy waist belt, padded shoulder straps. Dimensions are 20 by 28 by 50 centimetres, with a luggage volume of 68 litres. So there we have it, 96 litres of combined luggage space, keeping my kit nice and dry and safe for the ride. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video and you found the process of installing on your bike somewhat helpful. Let us know in the comments, and thank you so much for joining me in the XL Moto Garage. I look forward to seeing you in the next episode.